Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home to me. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home to me. All night, all night. I am beat for vibe, moving to my life. What's mine on that QGTM type of time now? I'm not sorry, this drove a Rari. Big energy, his bling was really blinding. Them be my type, scheme with him all through the night. He hits me up and get me paid, and then we catch a flight. From time to time, I know it's wrong, but it feels so right. I know that it feels so right. What's done is done, the devil steady testing me. Tease me gently like expensive trees, like it's your expertise. Touched by V, you know it's blessed. And baby, I need you. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home to me. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home to me. All night, all night. I need you back. You give me peace of mind, with you I never lack. I want you back. You hold it down just like the beast that's on your back. We argue, we fuck up. We argue, that's love. Them petty games that you play put you through the same thing. Them petty games that you play put you through the same thing. Ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway, baby? Just come home to me. All night, all night. I need you back.
This morning got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, and I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings you can fly. With you by my side. This morning, oh yeah.
Y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by AligraceHair. Shout out to you, Aligrace, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is it's Brazilian straight 13x4 lace front wig. It's 180% density and it's 22 inches long. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on their site so I can give you guys more details and specs. So it says Aligrace 12A grade Brazilian straight lace front wig, 100% virgin human hair transparent lace. This unit is available in 14 to 28 inches, and as I stated, they sent me 22. It's available in 150, 180, and 250% density. And it looks like it's only available in a 13x4 transparent lace. Now I do want to go ahead and say I want to start with the shedding and tangling. It didn't tangle at all, y'all. It's a straight wig, like I expect no tangling. I will say that it did shed a little bit at first. Now it's not at all, but I don't know if it was just like loose hair or what, but I wanted to throw it out there so you guys would know, and you can't say I ain't tell you because I told you, girl. So it did have that. Now I did decide to bleach the knots, but I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. So that right there, honey, oh girl woke up like that. Okay, that right there, honey, oh girl woke up like that. But I did decide to go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. I feel like you could maybe make it work if you have a smaller head, but I think it's more medium to big head friendly than not. But I only have the head that's on my shoulder, so girl, do with that what you want to do with it, okay? And I'm my average calf size. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Y'all, every time I wear a straight wig, I do this. I don't know what it is about them, but it just makes me do that. So pay me no mind, girl. But yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you know I like to end on a high note. So my con is gonna be that's a 13x4. I know you already knew that, girl, so we can just move on, okay? Moving right along. Alright, so as far as my pros, y'all, I always tell you guys, everybody needs at least one straight wig. I know straight wigs are not everybody's favorite, but I think you need at least one straight wig because it gives you that sleek look. It's like having a little black dress. You know what I'm saying? You need at least one, okay? Because you can never go wrong with it, and it's always going to give you this timeless sort of look. So I love that. I love that this unit came pre-tweezed because your girl hates tweezing units. Now it didn't come pre-bleached, but I love that it came pre-tweezed, and it's relatively easy to style. So those are my pros with this unit. Yes, I would personally recommend this wig. You need, like I said, one straight wig, and this is a really good one to have. It was really easy to style. It came pre-tweezed. You can't beat that with a stick. So yes, I would recommend this unit. Alright y'all, let's do this full 360 and lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know if you are feeling this unit. Let me sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Ally Grace, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. It's truly appreciated. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Help to Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.